Hi there! In this video, we'll show you our impression of the first IKEA store in Sukhumvit Bangkok, which opened December 1st, 2023. We'll go in and see how it's different from their regular stores, what the food is like, and the exclusive items that we found in this IKEA. While most IKEA stores are generally the same, this one promises to be a little different as it's located right in the busy tourist center of Bangkok. It's located in the new EmSphere Mall, which is right next to the Emporium Mall and the M Quartier Mall. How many malls does Bangkok actually need, you may ask? Yes. You can enter the mall either by skywalk from the BTS station Phrom Phong or access from the street level, and you'll then enter a bustling food court on the ground floor. But we're not here to try delicious looking food, nor are we here for the expensive cars that they sell. We're here for one reason and one reason alone: the IKEA. To find the entrance, you have to make your way to the third floor of the EmSphere Mall. We actually went up to the fourth floor so we could make this beautiful entrance shot for you. So here we are at the IKEA entrance on the third floor. The store was super busy, so we had to wait until the IKEA doorman let us in, and waiting to enter a furniture store is definitely a first for us. The waiting made us hungry and we wanted to go straight to the restaurant. For now, that's not possible yet, so you can only get there through the showroom. At first we wondered why we thought it was a good idea to come here during the opening weekend, but we adapted quickly. Luckily, we didn't have to walk for long and we found what we came for: the food. The cafeteria-style restaurant is probably half the size it normally is, but it still offers the classics such as free coffee for family card members, a variety of salmon-inspired dishes, cake, and the infamous hot section. Then we noticed something we haven't seen at IKEA before: a plate full of sausages. And even better, a plate full of sausages on sale. So yes, Lawrence ordered the sausages without hesitation and with much enthusiasm. We also grabbed a spring roll to add a local touch to our meal.
Spring roll!
Right next to the restaurant, there's also a Swedish Cafe if you're more in the mood for cakes and coffee rather than sausages and meatballs. In total, we paid 310 baht for our meal, including our 2 free coffees. The sausage plate came with 4 kinds of sausages, and it included vegetables and a scoop of mashed potato. There was a chorizo.
It's a sausage fest.
A knackwurst.
Knackwurst. Yeah.
And a Thai-inspired sausage that came with, surprisingly, a chili. As for me, I chose a salmon wrap, although in hindsight, I should have gone for the meatballs instead.
That was it. That was the salmon.
If you take a seat all the way at the end of the restaurant, you'll also have a beautiful view of Benjasiri Park. Right as you leave the restaurant, there's a corner that sells exclusive items for this specific store, and they offered all kinds of IKEA branded merchandise. It's really fun because if you want to have a unique IKEA item, you have to come to this store specifically, and they offer items such as t-shirts, lanyards, socks, and pins. They also have a line of different tote bags, and who are we to resist a fun tote? We're not sure if Urban Mess is IKEA's way of self-deprecating humor, but I love the bag and we decided to buy it for only 99 baht. We still had to go through the rest of the store as there are no shortcuts. The setup is pretty similar to a regular sized IKEA, except that it's smaller and there's no quick exit. When the showroom ends, you end up at the market hall where they sell a selection of their most popular items. Normally you can decide to skip the showroom and go to the market hall right away. That is not an option in this store. After a while, we got kind of tired, but luckily for us, we soon found the last part of the store, furniture warehouse. And you can really tell that it's inside a mall because it's
Much smaller.
the ceiling is lower and there are less products than a regular sized store.
15-pound hot dog.
But luckily, some things are the same at every IKEA you go to in the world. Considering how many people there were in the store, it was quite impressive that there were almost no lines at checkout. We quickly paid for the stuff that we collected and left the city store version of IKEA behind us. We thought it was going to be smaller, but it's much bigger than we expected, and it's super conveniently located near the BTS and inside the EmSphere mall. At the mall there's lots of space for many events, and for now they have a beautiful Christmas market setup, which made the whole mall feel very festive and fun. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos about travel in Bangkok in the upcoming weeks, and as always, if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to us, Yes and Explore. Bye!